2. This is the advanced part of Photoshop Basics, where I'm going to be showing you the uses of all these two you see on the sidebar. I'm going to be showing you their uses, how to set them up, why you'll be using them, what you're using them for. So this is going to be talking about document setup, workspace, and layers. So without wasting much of the time, let me just go straight right to it. So remember what I told you in the beginning. To get the standard, you come to File, click on New, and use this for your standard 4500 by 5400. So now when you get all this set up the way it is, you press OK, and this where we'll talk about layers. This, as you where it says background, is called a layer. So if you click on this, it's going to create a new layer. So if you click on this once, it's going to create a new layer. That layer will be layer 1. If you click on it, it will be layer 2. If you click on it again, that's going to be layer 3. So we only do that when we have to bring in other elements into Photoshop. Like I told you, I use Photoshop CC. So we only do that when we have to bring this into considerations for our design. To delete them, you just have to click on them, then click delete on your keyboard. If you click to delete layer 2, you click delete. You click layer 1, you click delete. So if you have multiple layers, like let me create 3 layers again, 1, 2, 3, and you want to group these 3 layers together, what you have to do is to click on this, click on layer 2. But when you click on layer 3 or layer 1, depending on which ones you want to group, remember to click on Control on your keyboard. I'm using Windows. That should be Command on a Mac. So on my Windows, I'll just click on Control button on my keyboard. Clicking on layer 1, I'll click on layer 2 and layer 3. Then I'm going to do Ctrl G to group them. As you can see, they've been grouped into one layer. And now if I want to delete this group, I'll just click on it and I'll press down delete on my keyboard, and it's out. Then for this one, you can see a padlock appears on this part of it. If you have that on, you might not be able to put off, you should not be able to put off this layer. As you can see, I can't put off this layer. And why do you need that to be unlocked? You need that to be unlocked so that you can transfer your t-shirt, your designs to your shirt. You can transfer your designs to your shirt. And if you are uploading on different colors of shirt, you want this unlocked. So to unlock this, all you have to do is to double tap 1, 2, and click on OK. Now that padlock is off, so you just click on these eyes now, and you see you have a layer without the white background. If you click on it again, the background comes back. It's as simple as that. So now this is your workspace. This is where we're going to be working in. This is where we're going to be creating all our designs. Our designs will be coming into this workspace. So that's just it. So we talked about layer. In the next video, we're going to be talking about shape and the align tool. So I'll see you in that one. Stay blessed.